It's not why you do me, I do you.
Exactly.
Yeah, near dear by ya besise, and you could phone so by and yes, and your Judge Rollins and Crawford, and you could phone so by Pamubi. Professor Mills by one on agreeing a children to a year, Ubakaya, or my even MMC this years of Kufo, 6 months.
Precisely.
And son, where you were more. John Mahama nya to me free Professor Mills and some. Even Professor Mills, I want any bua memo crown. When yan to me, Pamu woman yinada. And what didn't go for Koshe. A coup for Dubai will be here the same. And yen and I say. And you do, baby. One asked the reset back. Etika war reset. Me who ye come up and come on Pamu Paya, the top economists. Say, will be a CEO, will be a managing director, will be a destiny Pamu. Nemo Kolana ya Mofo Mugumuni. Mwana Munimuti and Pamu on the 19th of December. Wo Jomama. Who appointed Domlevu and other people. So when you're no crefo, but maybe who through you, the people can see it. Almost a memoir, when you're no crefo, what your mama, when you're no crefo, when you're no crefo, Ampa, when you're crefo, when you're no crefo, what can any man, I'm some pants with more danger when it be.
Free AM Home Care and Nursing Home. No more sure for my own Yakwan. We home care and nursing services, elderly day care, medication management, dementia, and Alzheimer care, physiotherapy services, post-surgery care, illness recovery care. Nina say, Ubushi and Ibuka be our choir Sabian Yina Befi. No free AM Home Care and Nursing Home for ya 24/7. One more Bequaco Chrono, a crab of us over Fenindro, no more entertaining. No one Yakwan Juma.
And ye AM Home Care and Nursing Home, Sabina me pay.
Ubutimi crop. Bushra for Pache Waum. AM Home Care and Nursing Home. Ewa Fanko, Accra and Sawam Road. From 0540 344 837 and 0207 859995.
For BB by CFN 24-hour economy. You know, near Busan's a 24-hour economy, I said, say. And watching us 24-hour economy, nature say. And instead say you walk. 8 to my friends 8 to 5 job, yes sir. It will be sorry or call from 8 to 5. If your mama say no, say 8 to 5 na ya cake. And for that matter, what the BB bar, you be expand the economy. Now for be a juma from a year 6 to 12. It says 8 hour. We are breaking the system into 8. So 8 hour shift. So be ya Ghana mebunu nyina be nya juma yo. Sana your mama ka kire. Menu mienu. Sa wanya sa. Yankoni Yokotia John Domani Mahama on a campaign trail. I walk say. So oba amemu mua general. Under no circumstance, and oba pamon crofo ekufuado a recruit omo. Say I'm way ready as signal many Yankoni Yokotia. But 24-hour economy, you busa question way on Angel FM. Say yakase economy. Economy encompasses so much. Economy, the banking sector, the security force, road and transport, the whole transportation sector is an economy. So which aspect of the economy because there was no coherence in their thoughts and no plan, no blueprint as to exactly what they want to do, they kept on saying, you better watch it. You better say, one can yana Ghana for so I didn't more heritage. The two Abama was said, bra. Never be economy, Nimnas will be a Juma 8 hour, yes, sir. Yentie your mama.
Your police were on the wall. Now, MPP4 police were on Beto Abba 2nd December. Yes, special voting. Your police were on the wall recruitment. Just on more depot. On more Babe police. Just a recruit for. Omonenam and Omokachom says, NDC by a baby already. The person may more Reshimusa and Yanokre. Yet to say Omoba and near recruitment. Military police, Ombepa Mumina. And now Oma Dream say, yet to sell mu. It's Yaba, yes, your besa. It's a Mema Omunina Reshimusa. Oma Yafa Omuno, Omoko through recruitment. Yeba yempa momo ombe twaso yesu yebefa yenipa na yesu yamo
general where your John Domani Mahama why your campaign and what other man for so recruit ni a form no ba one pamuomo so by inference and so recruit to be and enso bi a ya fa na dwuma baby if so munyina e Ghana for and your mama so oba be research nyasa it is oba be research dia nanki ya behwe se bi nioma nsemfunu bi a yedi no over the years se me no okasa okọ 1970 buzi abaye no ye fra bi Apollo 568 ade ne Apollo 568 ni nchire mu ane se buzi abaye no wose NDC fo no ne ayi enkroma aban no enkroma aban mo ye enkroma yes no mo ye no mo se enkroma aban ne de nkrofo ahye vantage positions bebre. It's sabe ya no buy into the idea of the government into ye nipa 500 and yes 68 every mo Apollo 568 ye you omo free mo and my very popular case of Salah versus Attorney General Satan Victor Usu ya na ya Attorney General adade na edi kan ya Attorney General and sana Victor Usu to keep the case over. It will be our law school be named the case of Salah versus Attorney General where there was a ruling as to whether you can say establish the word establisher. What does it even mean? General Chenio, ewi achire no Sala ye reinstitute no ma omu popular phrase bi almost say Buzia ka say no court say word no court no watina ne nyina achire say obi ba no obebu amemu opamo nkrofo bi ana jeje Rollins year 79 ku wa year 79 ku oni Kofi Awu no ana omu so Tata Brewery e wosika yes boachi matres wosika ye Fred yes Poku transport mo na omu wosika dia ene na chese asantefo no omu hye the banking sector, the top echelons of the banking sector no omu ne ma omu busia omu timi nya sika ejeje Rollins ni Kofi Awu no omu maka nyina epamu omu nyina da banking panifo ni nyina da ompamu omu nyina da etina akoye you do me I do you ye ni ade ba ya besi se ene Kufo nso ba ye no ye se ene ejeje Rollins nkrofo nti Kufo nso be pamu bi Professor Mills by one on agreeing a chile into a year, Ubekaya, or my even MMC this years of Kufo 6 months. Precisely. And son, where you were more. John Mahama nya to me free Professor Mills and some. Even Professor Mills, I want any bua memukra. When yan to me, Pamu, woman, yada. I want to go for Koshe. A Kufa Dubai will be here the same. And yen I say. And you do, baby. One asked the reset ba. Etika wo reset. Me hu ye kamoba nka mo pamu mo pa ye the top economists. Say bia obi a CEO, obi a managing director, obi a destiny pamu no. Ne mo nkola na ya mo fo mo gumu ne de. Mo ana munim nti ye pamu mo. The first time in the 4th Republic, abaya oso oba be reset. Wa ba ne afa nkrofo. No say by a year, you can say proper governance structure, and it be good in the spirit of good governance. As to what good governance means, I don't know, because Constitution is very clear where the mandate of the president ends. The Constitution is very clear, unambiguous when it comes to the mandate of the president. Was it the president mandate shall end on the 7th of January? You swear another president in. So you 7 December. The Constitution at no point says that. Because you have to obey you now lose you cannot make recruitment or governance should come to a halt. Exactly. So you know, and we are rule of law, a nation of laws. Constitution in him do okay. Afe ya ba John Dramani Mahama. Fame ko ni anko hwe domelevo letter me former boss Julius Debra Troy. I want to say John Dramani Mahama me a scam. He's scamming the people. Dek. Me be money o. Na what the fan fooling be. Na be na akola bi akogina ne nchen. Na akola na age ayi ni phone na say Joma ma man number. Na wo betimi aben president without national security clearance. It's optics. You be see a chance Mahama do e humble ana akola no national security ni. Why? Omo de madwene dia agro. Informant na sim. O de montina sim. Because Joma ma Akufo Addo ye. But beyond the facade, what is your mama doing? Some so Baba reset. Whereas wo John Dramani Mahama, ya two abewie ye will lose year 2016. And I will appoint Domelevo December after 2016, 22nd or so, and I will appoint Domelevo. Precisely so. 22nd or so now appoint NCC ne omomaka empedifo. E fan krofo gumo. Na ya two abewie na lose and ya appoint obia and ka ma Domelevo o appoint Domelevo e ma ne baba ye auditor general. I feel by an okra the end, and yes, sort of 1 hour per woman. and Kolana wona wo sia se wo be 24-hour economy no wa bie ma me afa it is oba na kofo do afa bia gumudia the only thing you can do is that wo be bie wo economy kura na wo kan 24-hour no wo be bie mu se be ya onkola no so be benya bia enya sa na 24-hour economy where a 19th of December 2016 appointment of Auditor General Domelevo signed by my former boss Julius Debra 19th December 2016 near to Obama John Mahama Lusu. It is a John Mahama in spirit of good governance. When him see a two Abawiana so Lusua, yem appoint to be a year, then ye two Abawiana Lusu on the 19th of December. Wo John Mahama who appointed Domelevo and other people. So when you no crefo, but maybe who through you, the people can see it. Omo se me mo adoma wonya no krefo wo John Mahama wonya no krefo wonya no krefo ampa wonya krefo wonya no krefo wakeka na nim manya me so mpa nso emu ahoden de woni bi general kakra ko ni no ode na nim mobomobo no ha mobomobo na me si owura John Mahama ma wonya no krefo na mo behunu na ache me de me ka kire mo wono na say in spirit of good governance so obi lose election ya say nipa no we are appointed but 19th of December 2016 no one lose election and no appointed Domelevo and no buy several thousands of a Ghanaian youth or more year Juma John Mahama say Kufuor na appointed woman after so lose it will more conquer Tenefi the Ebusasa Sankola no free Azerbaijan and no free Kosovo and no free Burkina Faso omo year Juma echi koto de ne bodwe nyanya nkyere nkola nko fa kuma it reset now wo ba be ye if this is how you are going to do it it means the vindictive nature of a yes how mind we entwa because what china say aban sisa MPP said the nsuo to ye o man so ye obi